Do you want to say goodbye to wrinkles and get naturally glowing, youthful skin? What if I told you that a simple kitchen ingredient, cornstarch, can do wonders for your skin? Sounds surprising, right? Wrinkles, fine lines, and dull skin, not anymore. Well, today, I'll show you 2 magical DIY anti-aging remedies that will erase wrinkles, tighten your skin, and give you a youthful glow in no time. Stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I'll also reveal a powerful bonus tip that will supercharge your skincare routine and give you instant results. You don't want to miss it. Let's dive into today's beauty secret. Recipe 1. Cornstarch and oil. Anti-wrinkle. Cream. 2 tablespoons cornstarch, the star ingredient. Cornstarch acts as a natural skin tightener, absorbing excess oil while creating a lifting effect on sagging skin. It's rich in polysaccharides that boost collagen production, making your skin look firmer, smoother, and younger. 1/2 cup water. This helps dissolve the cornstarch and forms a smooth paste. Hydration is key for plump, healthy skin that stays youthful. Take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a mixing bowl. Add 1/2 cup of water and stir well until the cornstarch completely dissolves. Transfer this mixture to a stove and cook on low flame, stirring continuously. After 2 to 3 minutes, the mixture will start to thicken into a creamy texture. Turn off the flame and let the mixture cool down completely. Take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin E, olive oil deeply hydrates the skin, protects against free radicals, and prevents premature aging. It's a natural skin softener that helps smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Mix it well. Next, add 1 tablespoon almond oil. One of the best oils for anti-aging. Almond oil is rich in vitamin A and fatty acids that reduce wrinkles, enhances brighten skin tone, and improve skin elasticity. Mix well. One tablespoon coconut oil, the ultimate collagen booster. Coconut oil deeply nourishes, repairs skin cells, and prevents wrinkles and sagging by improving skin's natural elasticity. I brought this coconut oil from India. It's our homemade oil, and today I'm using it in this recipe. Nothing beats the purity of homemade goodness. Mix well. Application method. Apply a thin layer of this cream all over your face and neck before bedtime. Massage gently for 1-2 minutes using upward circular motions. Leave it overnight and rinse off with lukewarm water in the morning. Use daily for best results. Storage tips. Store in an airtight glass container and refrigerate for up to 7 days. Recipe 2. Cornstarch and aloe vera for radiant skin. One tablespoon aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a miracle ingredient for skin. It hydrates deeply, soothes irritation, reduces redness, and speeds up collagen production. It also fades wrinkles and scars for an even, glowing skin tone. Cornstarch mixture. Just like before, this acts as a natural skin tightener that smoothens fine lines and improves skin texture. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel in a bowl and take 2 tablespoons of the pre-cooked cornstarch mixture in a bowl. Mix well until smooth. Castor oil is packed with fatty acids that nourish dry skin, increase skin elasticity, and reduce the appearance of fine lines. It penetrates deep into the skin, making it super soft and supple. Add castor oil and mix thoroughly to create a silky consistency. Tablespoon of castor oil, mix well. Next, honey. Honey is a natural humectant that draws moisture into the skin. It also has antibacterial properties that keep your skin clear, radiant, and youthful. Next, add 1 tablespoon honey to the mixture and mix it well. The texture should become slightly gel-like. Coconut oil acts as a natural skin barrier, locking in moisture and preventing dehydration, which is a key cause of wrinkles. Finally, add 1 tablespoon coconut oil and mix until all ingredients are well combined. Application method. Apply this hydrating gel all over your face and neck and leave it for 20-30 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Use it 3 times a week for instant glow and hydration. Storage tips. Store in a glass jar in the fridge for up to 1 week. How these 2 recipes work together. Cornstarch and oil cream works overnight to repair skin, smooth fine lines, and deeply hydrate. Cornstarch and aloe gel provides instant hydration, soothes irritation, and brightens your skin. Using these together will give you firmer, radiant, youthful skin in just a few weeks. All the amazing ingredients used in this recipe are linked in the description. Bonus tip. Want faster results? Add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil to either recipe. It boosts collagen, speeds up cell renewal, and fades wrinkles even faster. Try this and comment below your results. I can't wait to hear about your amazing transformations. So, my beautiful family, I hope you love this magical skin tightening remedy. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Comment your country's name below. It makes me so happy to see where you're watching from. If you found this useful, like and share this with your friends. Subscribe for more powerful skincare secrets. See you in the next video. Stay beautiful.